Quick, fast, easy, simple, and fun. We're making face masks with materials you already have at home. No sewing required. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, we're doing this. It's a mask with just 2 items, and I'm gonna try to go as slow as possible so you can really understand how to make it. First item is this red 100% cotton material, sort of like a pillowcase, which would be half size of a king pillowcase since it's a 1/4 yard. This is a string we're using. It's our second item. It is the consistency of like a shoestring. So we're going to take this piece and we're going to go ahead and flip it over because it already has a nice inseam going right down the middle here, because we're going to be folding to that half mark. And you can use an iron if you want to and get straighter creases, but I'm just going to fold slightly over and just slightly press down on the sides just so you can get the visual of what we're doing. Then we're just going to fold the ends about 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And it's very important, you'll see why later, because this is going to hold this mask together without these safety pins. Almost done, guys. So we're going to sit here and we're going to take this next fold and we're going to go into thirds. So we're going to take this fold here, then this next fold we're going to tuck this end right here on both sides. We're going to tuck that into that last fold. This is going to secure that mask. The further you push this in, the more secure your mask is going to become. If you want to put a small stitch in there or a safety pin, you can, but guys, this is just 2-item mask here. We're making this simple, we're making this easy, we're making this fun. So we're going to go ahead and push that on in there. Then we're going to, again, just make sure our creases are towards us. That way it is straight on the back side. You can always adjust and pull based off of your face size. And I'm going to pull out my string. I got this from my daughter's room. She's a crafty girl. So this is again like the consistency of a shoestring. I'm just going to use 12 inches. So I'm just got out my little ruler here. We're going to make one cut at the 12-inch mark, and then we're not going to need that ruler anymore because we will use the string to measure the other part. Now obviously this is the string that's going to secure around our ears. So I'm going to cut that. In place of the string, again, you can use a shoestring, you can use rubber bands, you can use hair ties, anything that can securely hold that mask around your ear. So I'm just putting a knot, a simple knot on the end of this so I can secure it around the mask. I wanted you to see how simple the knot actually was. It's just one little knot. And I'm just kind of pulling to make sure it's nice and tucked. Again, you can adjust the string sizes based on your face size. You can make them smaller, you can make them larger. This one is just like, again, 12 inches. And I'm putting that knot towards my face. So then that way I've kind of got a cleaner look when I get to folding up this mask for a finished product. When I put those strings on my mask, I'm going to actually push them on there about 1/3 of the way. And you'll see, because we're going to end up folding very carefully this mask so we can, again, further secure it. So I'm going to take it again in thirds. I'm going to fold over that knot that we had made right there and see it's secure. Then we're going to take this in and we're going to push it into that other end again. The further you push this in here, the more secure your mask is going to become, the less likely it is to pull apart. And then you can take and give it more of that mask look by holding it down and pulling both ends. You can see it's straight on that side. Again, you can iron it if you like, but this is the finished product. You can pull it from the top and bottom to elongate the mask. I'm going to go ahead and put it around my face so you can just see how easy this mask really is. Guys, that was easy. That was simple. That was it.